Welcome everyone to the first exercise explanation video that is shown in this course. In these videos we will explain the exercises in these subsections, and we will do this for every exercise. So if you have any difficulties with the exercise or just want to see how we would do it, you can check those videos. Now, I have drawn a pointer where the city of Delft is, and this is where we are now, since the Delft University of Technology is indeed in Delft in the Netherlands. And we would also like it very much if you would present yourself at the forum. You're also very excited to see where you are from and what you are doing in your daily life. So now I will continue by explaining the exercise. Here I have drawn the Netherlands, and this is my control volume. From now on I define this as my control volume. And then we also, of course, have some inflows and some outflows and maybe some production. So let's check this. So I will draw this by making an arrow for inflow, an arrow for outflow. Of course, these could be anywhere on the map as long as they cross the boundaries and production is inside the country. Now, as was shown in the text, immigration numbers are 47,000 people per year, and emigration numbers are 36,000 people per year. I should also define my quantity, and here I will take n as the number of people inside the country, inside my control volume. And indeed I define my control volume as the country. Note that this of course could be any country. Doesn't really matter. And then I will use the general balance equation, which is ddt is in minus out plus production. Now to solve the question I have to fill in the balance equation. So ddt is my quantity, dndt. The inflow is of course the immigration, since then people are coming into the country. The outflow is the emigration, people going out of the country. And the production this time is 0, since I have not defined this one for now. And then if I fill this in the general balance equation, I get dndt is 47,000 people per year minus 36,000 people per year is 11,000 people per year. So the number of people in the country is growing by 11,000 people per year. In the second part of this question, we were also adding the birth and deceased rates. And since this is happening inside of the borders of the country, we can call this production. So the production is not 0, but production is birth minus deceased. So the production then is, in terms of numbers, 27,000 people per year minus 2,231 people per year makes minus 4,000 people per year. So the more people are dying than being born, actually. So this gives a negative production term. Now I can fill this in my general equation again. So the ndt is in minus out plus production. In minus out, I calculated this already, was 11,000 people per year. And let's fill this in over here. And then my production I also calculated already, and this was minus 4,000 people per year. So then by a simple calculation, this makes 7,000 people per year. So the population is increasing by 7,000 people per year, and this is your final answer. So now you see how we would solve such a question, and maybe this question was quite simple for you, but I think it's very useful for you to learn the general manner how to solve these questions. Well, hope to see you again in the next video, and there is also a video in this section about the money balance equation.